Hello. I'm so happy by the way. I'm very happy. My name is Teacher Gideon Machoni, and going to take you through Swahili classes in this channel. First thing that makes me so happy is that I didn't know that this channel subscribers will move so fast like this. Right now I can see we have 31, I mean 81. Oh my God, thank you so much, my friends. So today we are going to look at 11 words. Here where I am with my hope you are fine where you are right now, and thank you once again for supporting this channel. Today we are going to look at 11 words. The word number one, it is how are you this morning. I'm going to read it in English. How are you in this morning? In Kiswahili, umeamkaje leo? That is the question. How are you this morning? Umeamkaje leo? Number two, leo kuna joto sana ni Kiswahili. Leo kuna joto sana. It is very hot today. Leo kuna joto sana. It is very hot today. Niko njiani nakuja. Number 3. Niko njiani nakuja. I am on my way. I am on my way. Number 4. Nitachelewa kidogo. Nitachelewa kidogo. I will be late. I will be a bit late. I will be a bit late. Number 5. Uko wapi sasa hivi? Uko wapi sasa hivi? Where are you right now? Where are you right now? Number 6. Nimechoka sana leo. Nimechoka sana leo. I am very tired today. I am very tired today. Okay. We look at number 7. Nahitaji kupumzika kidogo. Nahitaji kupumzika kidogo. I need to rest a bit. I need to rest a bit. Number 8. Nina njaa sana sasa. Nina njaa sana sasa. In English, I am very hungry right now. Nina njaa sana sasa. I am very hungry right now. Number 9. Chakula hiki ni kitamu sana. Chakula hiki ni kitamu sana. This food is very delicious. This food is very delicious. Number 10. Nimeshiba kabisa. Nimeshiba kabisa. I am completely full. I am completely full. Number 11, the last one. Nilifikiria sana kuhusu hilo. Nilifikiria sana kuhusu hilo. I have thought a lot about that. I have thought about a lot about that. Nilifikiria sana kuhusu hilo. So we're going to rewind from number 1 to 11. By the way, in this channel of mine, it helps both those who don't know Kiswahili and those who don't know English. Let me say, for example, you are an English person, you know only English, and you want to interact with someone who is speaking Swahili and doesn't understand English. So you will be able in this channel, you will be able to learn Kiswahili some words so that when you're interacting with a Swahili person, you will be able to speak some of the words correctly. Okay? And if you are a Kiswahili person and you want to learn English, maybe you're a Swahili person and you are speaking, you are interacting with an English person, someone who is speaking English only and doesn't know Kiswahili. So in this channel, you will be able to learn English. In short, if you are from outside Africa, you want to interact with an African, but that African doesn't know English, you can only he or she knows Kiswahili, you can share this channel to that person so that he or she can learn English. Okay? And if you are in Africa and you are speaking with someone outside Africa who knows only English and doesn't know Kiswahili, you can share this channel to that person so that he or she can learn Swahili. Are we together? So that is how we help each other. And so far, I'm very, very thankful for those who have been supporting this channel. Until now, we have 80 subscribers. And for you, if you will add one, I will get 81. And if you share someone to add, I'll get 82. That is how we grow the channel. And this is part 15. Part 15 of learning Swahili. So we are going to rewind from number 1 to number 11. So this one I'm going to read it in both Kiswahili. I will start with Kiswahili and then English. I will start with English then Kiswahili, okay? So we are going to look at number 1. How are you this morning? How are you this morning? Umeamkaje leo? How are you this morning? Umeamkaje leo? Number 2. It is very hot today. It is very hot today. Leo kuna joto sana. It is very hot today. Leo kuna joto sana. Number 3. I am on my way. Niko njiani nakuja. I am on my way. Niko njiani nakuja. Number 4. I will be a bit late. I'll be a bit late. Nitachelewa kidogo. I will be a bit late. Nitachelewa kidogo. Number 5. Where are you right now? Where are you right now? Uko wapi sasa hivi? Where are you right now? In Kiswahili, uko wapi sasa hivi? Number 6. I am very tired. I am very tired today. Nimechoka sana leo. Nimechoka sana leo. I am very tired today. Nahitaji kupumzika. No, in English, I need to rest a bit. I need to rest a bit. Nahitaji kupumzika kidogo. I need to rest a bit. Nahitaji kupumzika kidogo. Number 8. I am very hungry right now. I am very hungry right now. Nina njaa sana sasa. I am very hungry right now. Nina njaa sana sasa. Number 9. This food is very delicious. This food is very delicious. Yeah. Chakula hiki ni kitamu sana. This food is very delicious. Chakula hiki ni kitamu sana. Number 10. I am completely full. I am completely full. Nimeshiba kabisa. I am completely full. Nimeshiba kabisa. Number 11. I have thought a lot about that. I have thought a lot about that. Nilifikiria sana kuhusu hilo. I have thought a lot about that. Nilifikiria sana kuhusu hilo. So that is it for today. For part 15, that is it. So subscribe for you to get part 16, and I'm going to post it today. Part 16 is on the way. So if you subscribe, you will get the notification that I have posted another video, and you will be the first person, and also you will be able to learn from that video. Once you subscribe, you will get to find us again. For you to find us again, please subscribe, like, share, and also comment. So thank you once again. This is part 15, complete to the end of part 15. I really thank you for staying with me from part 1 to the part 14. And now we are in part 15. Thank you so much. My name is Teacher Gideon. I will be taking you through Swahili classes. Have a nice time. Bye bye.